In today's video, I'll show you how creators are using AI to make reels of famous people, like that Ronaldo and Messi eating fried chicken clip and blowing up on Instagram. These accounts are catching millions of views, but most of them have no clue how to turn that attention into income. They're suffering from what I call broke creator syndrome, or BCS. Millions of views, yet zero monetization. I'm about to reveal a brand new monetization strategy that's not public yet, specifically designed for meme-style pages like these. With the insane view counts they're getting, this approach could be worth tens of thousands of dollars per month, money they're currently leaving on the table. A few days ago, I was scrolling through Reels and I found that Ronaldo and Messi fried chicken video. It had over 100 million views. But what jumped out at me wasn't just that one viral streak. It was that every single one of their 41 posts had over 1 million views each. They clearly used a strong strategy, not just luck. I looked deeper and realized these videos are shockingly easy to recreate. I then developed a full 5-step formula, which I'll walk you through today, step by step. You're getting a direct blueprint, the same one I'd use if I started a faceless theme account from zero, aiming to grow it into a full business. The first step isn't views, it's turning views into actual revenue. But before that, I added one extra step to the process this account didn't do. And it's a serious game changer. I've never seen it discussed, and when you apply it, it can take your account to the next level with almost no competition yet. Growing your content reach. This account only posts on Instagram, but you need to post across all short-form platforms, TikTok and YouTube Shorts. TikTok and YouTube pay for short videos, but both have strict monetization thresholds. TikTok requires 10,000 followers and only pays. In certain countries like the US and UK, YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers plus 10 million views in the past 90 days. That's a long grind. But there's a shortcut: buying already monetized TikTok accounts. Some sites sell monetized TikTok channels where the creator already hit the requirements organically. You buy the account and start earning ad revenue from day one. These accounts aren't bots, they're real, grown legitimately. You don't need this shortcut, but it's a fast route if you want revenue immediately. Otherwise, you can grow TikTok or YouTube the normal way. You only miss the early profits, which for some creators can mean a year delay. Now that your platforms are set up and monetized, let's walk through content creation using AI, starting with the Ronaldo and Messi fried chicken example. First, write a prompt in ChatGPT. Describe the scene clearly. Write a prompt for an image of Ronaldo and Messi sitting across from each other in a fast food restaurant eating fried chicken. Once you run that, copy the output. Then head to Glyph, an AI image generator offering 20 free credits per day. Under Build, Image Generator, paste your prompt. Choose the Flux Pro model and portrait aspect ratio for short form. Click Generate. In seconds, you'll have a result like Ronaldo and Messi mid-bite with chicken, just like the viral example. Repeat this to create multiple images to extend your reel. These aren't stills, they're raw material for animated clips. Now to animate, go to Luma Labs in development over recent months. It uses an image and text prompt to generate a high-quality 5-second video clip. Sign up, upload your image, paste the same prompt, and let it run. You get an animated mini clip with motion. They give you a few free credits a day to test without spending money. Once you have a handful of animated clips, it's time to edit them together. Create a new project. Import all your Luma Labs videos, drag them into the timeline, and use the transition library, like Simple Fade, to smooth between them. Apply the transition to all clips automatically. Next is sound design, which is critical. These videos often include effects, like Ronaldo laughing. After Effects, add background music. I use Epidemic Sound. They offer a vast library of copyright-free music. Choose something goofy or upbeat. Download it, then adjust the volume to around -10 to -2 for balance. Now export the video in 1080p at 60 FPS, and it's ready for upload. Post across all platforms to maximize reach. All clips done. So far, we've got generated images, video animation, editing, and posting across platforms, but we still haven't monetized yet. That's where the secret step comes in: affiliate link strategy using Glitchy. This is affiliate marketing on steroids. Under offers, they list affiliate deals from big brands: Zara, Lululemon, H&M, and more. The crazy part, people don't need to buy anything. Just complete a survey and you get paid. For example, there's a Lululemon deal offering a $750 gift card survey. I earn $8 per completion. Copy your tracking link. Avoid raw affiliate links being blocked. Create a free landing page using beacons or Linktree. Get a $750 Lululemon gift card and paste in your glitchy link. Publish it in your bio across all platforms. Encourage viewers to click through CTAs in caption or comments. As soon as someone completes the survey, you earn $8, even if they didn't buy a thing from Lululemon. That's a powerful monetization step most accounts never use. With just one viral reel, you could generate significant revenue from survey completions alone. Multiply that by consistent posts across platforms, and you're looking at serious income. And speaking of income, I also run a private community where I share even more AI tools and revenue strategies, weekly live Q&As, courses, editing packs, niche lists. And for those ready to take this to the next level, I'll guide you through everything, from choosing a niche, setting up pages, creating videos with AI, monetizing, to scaling. So that's it. You now have my exact AI-powered system. I hope you found this deep dive valuable. Start today, and as always, I'll see you inside the community.